Hey guys, it's Miss Carly, and I am super excited to try this Sassy Bob wig from Sam's Beauty, which is from OUTRE, in the name of Leni or Leni. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but she's gonna be fabulous. I can already tell. So besides it being this Sassy Bob, one thing when I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta have it, is the color that's on the card. And as you can see, like me holding up to my blonde, like, oh, she definitely is casting that like smoky lavender silver color. Gorgeous, obsessed. And so just getting a little bit more into this wig, since we're talking about her 5-inch parting. So that's gonna be really nice with the 5 inches. We love that. She does, if I put her right here, so you can see she has some pre-cut baby hairs up in the front, which is fabulous. And then also for her routage, if you will, she has a beautiful root charcoal. This wig is also heat safe as well, up to 400 degrees. So if you do want to modify her, and just from kind of looking at her, as you can see, she has my favorite part about a bob is this. You see this sleek, like this. It's gonna slice people. It's gonna slice you on the street. You can see these gorgeous layers, and that's okay. So let's put this girl on. I'm actually not gonna put a wig cap on. I'm just gonna put my hair back. Okay, because I'm a little excited, I skipped a couple of the steps of inside of the wig because I just can't wait to put this on. But for the inside, besides the 5-inch parting right here, she has 2 combs right here. So one's right up here in the front and one's kind of on the side right here. And then she does have 1 comb in the back. So as for her wig cap size, she's definitely a medium. Do I think she'd be a medium large? Maybe not. She definitely is a little bit on the smaller side, but let's just whip this girl on. Oh my goodness, look at her. This little stunner already. I'm loving it. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline. As you can see, these are the baby hairs, which look really nice. And one of my favorite things with a wig is that when it kind of notches out for the ear. So your ear will not be smashed, which is one of my favorites. And then of course, the hairline, you know, isn't bad, but clearly if you prefer, it would definitely need some attention if you really wanted to look as realistic as possible. But naturally you can mess with these baby hairs to kind of correct any of that if necessary. You can lay those down. Let's cut the lace off. All right, so let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. And from brushing her, she barely had any hairs, you know, maybe 20 hairs or so. Pretty good right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I usually just take a compact, like a powder. It's actually, I've mentioned this before, it's from the dollar store in the color of nude. I don't know why I picked it up, but I love it for my parting. And I just take a little brush right here and I just pat it in. I'm just gonna do a little spin so you kind of see what she looks like in the back. I am just loving this little bob right here. It is so freaking cute. I can't handle it. I love all the volume. Naturally, if you don't want all this volume up and top, you can just take your silk handkerchief or whatnot, apply a little bit of heat like a hair dryer, and then just wrap it for about 10 minutes or so. And then like how you can also do it, as I think she has in here, oh yeah, she tucks it behind her ear. So, and then what I like to do when I tuck, I just like to pull like one little piece out, just like that. But I love it. Oh, look at this cutting asymmetrical bob, like totally obsessed with it. So naturally, besides this color, this wig actually does come in a bunch of other colors, including more natural colors if you prefer. Again, this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here. It is under $30 and such a great piece if you love to be a sassy bob like I do. So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have this wig another color, or if you have a favorite bobbed wig. I want to see you all rocking out your wigs. I absolutely love it. Reach out to me on Instagram. That is the best way to send me photos of you looking fabulous. Because remember, life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And don't worry about if anyone has to say anything negative about it. They're just wishing they have the wig that you're wearing. Guaranteed. So I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.